see our army is ready, and now we are going to add some motion. Okay, so let's go to the top view, select this object right here. If you can't see, then come to the middle view here, bring this timeline little bit up and go to the frame 1. Okay, now just go to this transform, select everything we want to add, change everything further. Okay, so let's select the everything and hit I, location rotation. Oh, not the location scale. Hit I, location rotation. Yeah, and select the 250 somewhere here. So go to the frame 250 and then select this and change the rotation 360. 360 in plus. 360 first 360 in plus. Then this second 360 in minus 360. So minus 360. Then this. Motion, full motion. Some kind of different motion just we need to add, and we can create that sci-fi looking motion graphic. You can change their position, you can add the individual motion in this all cubes. Oh wait, I will show you. It's very easy to create that kind of sci-fi motion graphics, and just we need a cinematography to shoot that sci-fi motion graphics. To know the cinematography, basic of the cinematography, how the camera will move in the different directions, how to take the shots. So let's add okay, so we can add the individual motion. So just applied the individual rotation to every object here. Okay, so it will rotate around its axis, origin point. So now just you can see once again the play the animation timeline here, and every object is rotating around their axis. You can see right there. Okay, but we can't see directly. If you want to see, then you need to see it. Watch it, observe it, then right there. Okay, Okay, this is the stage, and you can see right the animation, that's coming down, falling down. This is simple animation, and just then you need to duplicate this. Okay, so here is our sci-fi animation is ready. So let's see how does it look. And you can do variety in this motion graphics, different varieties. I have tried different kind of motions also there. With this you can tweak this one by one at a different position, so you will get a different motion in individual, in all the individual tubes right there. So for this tutorial this much is simple. You can try your own new motion graphic, and it's look pretty cool, awesome. And then let's set a camera and render. Okay, so I hope you will like this video. So see you in the next video. Bye.